Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into another purchase that I just made from Tekton. I did buy it through their website because I highly suggest buying it through their website. You get the best deals there. You get, if you sign up, you get free shipping and the 10% in rewards. So a while back I bought a bunch of ratchets from Tekton off their website. I got 10% back. I spent like $100 and something, and I ended up having almost $12 in rewards. So I had just kind of been saving it. I purchased some smaller things here and there between then and now, but I saved it, and I've been overgrowing my pliers drawer. So I have a pliers rack already, but it only holds, I want to say 30 sets of pliers, and I probably have closer to 50 or 60 sets of pliers. So half of my drawer, the pliers are just laying around all over the place, and then half of it's organized. So I really wanted to organize the other half. So I picked up the Tekton pliers organizer. The great thing about it is they're very affordable and they're made in the USA. I want to say they're $15. It holds a set of 10. I purchased 3 of them so I can hold 30 sets of pliers. And it was, around $45. And then I used the $12, got them for basically $30, and then I also earned another $3 in rewards after purchasing these. So the rewards program is really nice. The free shipping, it got here in 2 days, so that was phenomenal. But I'm just going to take you in for a closer look at these USA made plier organizers, and then we're going to organize my pliers drawer, and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also, I'll have the Tekton website linked down in the description if you guys are interested in any of these products. Let's get into this. Here we're just going to take a real quick look at the actual pliers organizer from Tekton, and then we'll go over to the toolbox and I'll show you guys what my drawer looks like before and after using this organizer. So up top, this is going to be a dual material. It is a plastic material up top. It's semi-flexible yet still rigid, and it is safe to clean. And then the bottom portion here in the black is going to be a rubber, and it goes onto the bottom as well to prevent it from slipping and sliding around inside of your toolbox. So that's really nice as well. I'll throw up some pictures from their website of the dimensions and material that this product is actually made out of. So I really hope you guys enjoy that. But if you guys are interested, once again, this is going to run you $15. And then if you have any rewards on Tekton's website, then you can use that for a discount. Otherwise, I bought 3 of them at $45 and got almost $4 in rewards back. So pretty good deal there. It seems really well built. I'm glad it's made in the USA. I mean, I know it doesn't matter to some people, but certain things I really do like to have made in the USA. And then it does have a little hanger here for when it's on display, but you can easily just snap that guy off right there, like so. And there you go. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the drawer now, and we'll get it all organized. So here she is. I have quite a few pliers just laying down around here. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, almost 30 sets of pliers just laying in here. And then I do have this wire plier organizer, and it does work well. I really do like it as well, but I wanted to go with Tekton and compare it to this. So maybe in a future video we'll do an in-depth comparison, because this is fairly affordable as well. I think it was around $20 or $25, and it holds 30 sets of pliers, so it's pretty nice. But this is the before image of the pliers drawer, and now we'll go ahead and get the drawer organized. I'm kind of freehanding it here, so it might be a little shaky, but this is it. I decided to put the Tekton rails against the back of the drawer and the old rail against the front, but it came out really nicely. I'm really happy with it. Sorry, the lighting is kind of making it look pink right now. There we go. But I got everything organized. I think I have 61 pairs of pliers in here. Well, a couple of them are adjustable wrenches, so 59 sets of pliers. So over here I have some vice grips, all my tongue and groove pliers, all of my long reach pliers, whether that be diagonal side cutters, duckbills, long needle nose. Then I have all of my slip joint pliers, my standard length needle nose, and then over here I have all of my screw extraction pliers and my oil filter pliers. Over here I have a set of slip joints, an older set of scissors or shears, whatever you want to call them, panel poppers, snap ring pliers, a little miniature set of Knipex tongue and groove pliers, some small flush cuts, larger flush cuts. These actually need to go back to work. Diagonal side cutters all the way through Knipex, Mac, Southwire, Knipex, Fujiya, channel lock, and they're all going to be made in the USA, Germany, or Japan. And then I have my channel lock end nippers, lineman pliers. Then I have my Southwire like multi pliers, my Knipex wrench pliers, tongue and groove, miniature bolt cutters, and my adjustable wrenches down here. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I'm really happy with these Tekton rails, $15 a piece. With that rewards program, it's really nice. The other thing that I like, not only is the rubber base really nice for holding it sturdy in the drawer, but it also has the rubber base on the inside, so it holds the pliers really well. They're not going to be sliding in and out or anything like that. But let me know your guys' thoughts. Once again, the website will be linked down in the description for you guys. I'll also have a link on Amazon for a lot of other tools that I suggest. But please let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.